Hello LEGO fans, this is the LEGO A-wing Starfighter, 75,275, building set. Inspire memories of the classic Star Wars, Return of the Jedi movie with this cool Ultimate Collector's Series LEGO registered A-wing Starfighter, 75,275, building set. The sleek, arrowhead shape is beautifully reproduced in LEGO bricks, and fans will appreciate authentic details such as the pivoting laser cannons and new for May 2020 removable canopy on the cockpit. Cool display piece. A testing building challenge for ages 18+ to enjoy solo or with friends and family. This model comes with a display stand, information plaque, and an A-wing pilot minifigure. And look out for other collectible build and display models, including the Stormtrooper Helmet, 75,276, and Boba Fett Helmet, 75,277. Universe of excitement. The LEGO Group has been creating brick-built versions of iconic starships, vehicles, locations, and characters from the Star Wars universe since 1999. LEGO Star Wars is its most successful theme, with building sets that make great birthday, Christmas, or surprise gifts for fans of all ages. Create a stunning display with the first ever LEGO Ultimate Collector Series version of the A-wing Starfighter, 75,275, from Star Wars, Return of the Jedi, featuring a new for January 2020 removable cockpit canopy. Star Wars fans will love authentic details such as the pivoting laser cannons. Also includes an adjustable display stand, information plaque, and A-wing pilot character to complete a striking Star Wars centerpiece. This A-wing LEGO set is part of the Star Wars Ultimate Collector Series, UCS. Also check out the brilliant Stormtrooper Helmet, 75,276, and Boba Fett Helmet, 75,277, build-to-display models. This 1,673-piece LEGO Star Wars A-wing fighter building set offers a fun, rewarding challenge for Star Wars fans aged 18+, and makes a fantastic birthday gift, Christmas present, or special occasion surprise. Measuring 10.5-inch, 27 centimeters, high including display stand, 16.5-inch, 42 centimeters, long, and 10-inch, 26 centimeters, wide, this collectible LEGO registered Star Wars A-wing fighter model is bound to make a big impression displayed at home or in the office. This battery-free building set is a peaceful way for adults to unwind after a hard day at work. Forget your worries for a while, find your building zen, and create an incredible LEGO Star Wars A-wing model. Thinking of buying this A-wing Starfighter model kit for a Star Wars fan who is new to LEGO sets? No worries. It comes with step-by-step instructions so they can take on this challenging build with confidence. There is a huge variety of LEGO Star Wars building sets to delight fans of all ages, whether they want to play out famous movie scenes, create their own epic stories, or just build and display the awesome models. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.